Hi, I'm Rob from B&H, and in this video we're going to check out some portable keyboards that make great gifts for the holidays. We're taking a look at a few inexpensive models that all offer an impressive array of features, including built-in speakers, hundreds of different sounds to choose from, auto accompaniment, rhythms, and a lot more. They also feature headphone jacks, inputs for a sustain pedal, music stands, and keys that are not weighted, making them lighter and easier to travel with. So let's get started with a model from Casio. This smart-looking 61-key model is the CTK 6000 from Casio, and it features an impressive 670 built-in tones to choose from and offers 48 notes of polyphony. That's the amount of notes you can play at one time. With that many tones, it's convenient that they're divided into 12 different categories, including pianos, bass, synths, drums, and more. The sounds can be layered, and you can split the keyboard to have different sounds in the upper and lower halves of the keyboard. The tones can also be edited. You can sculpt the envelopes, filter settings, effects, and more. I was quite impressed with the effects. In addition to reverb and chorus, there are a number of editable DSP effects on board, including distortion, flanging, delays, and more. There's also a tempo-adjustable metronome on here, but the 200 auto accompaniment patterns are a bit more fun and surprisingly sophisticated. Hold a chord on the lower portion of the keyboard and the CTK 6000 does the rest, playing drums, guitar, bass, etc., with intro, variation, and ending buttons that give the auto accompaniment a more song-like feel. Casio offers a couple of different fingering modes, so you can trigger some complicated chords with only one or just a couple of fingers. You can also edit the built-in rhythms and store them in the User Rhythms section. Another convenient feature is called One Touch Preset. When you choose an auto accompaniment rhythm, One Touch Preset tells the CTK 6000 to dial up the tones, configure the keyboard split and layering, the effects, and more that goes best with that rhythm. Similar to that are the 305 different music presets. These supply you with chord progressions, auto accompaniment, rhythms, tones, effects, and more in 5 different categories, with a 6th where you can store your own presets. Also convenient for recalling numerous settings at the touch of a button are the 32 registration memory setups. All these songwriting tools can be harnessed by the CTK 6000's onboard 16-track sequencer, while the backlit LCD display makes getting the balance right in the mixer page simple and intuitive. When you're ready to save your work, you can back it up to an SD card or to a computer using the USB port. Casio offers several different models in the CTK lineup, including the CTK 7000, which offers more tones to choose from and a drawbar organ function. Other models offer built-in music lessons, which the CTK 6000 doesn't have. Very similar to the CTK 6000 is this WK 6500, also from Casio. The two units are so similar, in fact, that they actually share the same user manual. Both get power from the included 12-volt DC power supply or can run on batteries. The most obvious difference between the two models is the keyboard. At 76 keys, the WK 6500 is larger. While certainly still quite portable, that does make it a little heavier though. The WK 6500 weighs in at just under 17.5 pounds to the CTK 6000's 12.78 pounds. Now, one more difference is that while both the CTK and the WK both have audio input jacks on the back, the WK also offers a 1/4-inch mic input, so you can add a dynamic microphone to the mix, like the Shure PG48, for example. Perfect for the aspiring lounge lizard on your holiday list. Next up is the ever-popular YPG 235 76-key portable keyboard from Yamaha, and it offers a couple of neat touches. For starters, the keyboard itself is graded, with the lower keys slightly heavier in feel than the higher keys, similar to what you'd find on an actual piano. There's also a pitch wheel and 489 high-quality onboard sounds using Yamaha's Advanced Wave Memory, or AWM, sound engine, including a dedicated stereo grand piano, as well as drums and sound effects. 32 notes of polyphony are available. The YPG 235 features dual and split keyboard modes, and it also has a music database that matches the appropriate voice and style of auto accompaniment to the type of music you choose. There's also a 6-track internal sequencer, and it offers Yamaha's Performance Assistant technology that helps you sound like a pro by correcting mistakes while you play. Along with reverb, the YPG 235 offers chorus, flanger, echo, tremolo, trill effects, and a 5-band EQ. There's also a harmony effect that allows you to automatically add up to 3 notes of harmony to the note you play. The USB port allows you to connect to a computer for MIDI data exchange and file backup. The YPG doesn't have quite as sophisticated a feature set as the 2 Casio models we looked at, but on the other hand, it does have the built-in Yamaha Educational Suite, which guides and grades you through 7 levels using the 30 built-in songs with another 70 on the included CD-ROM. The lessons are divided into left and right-hand parts, and there are 3 lessons for each hand. There's also a chord dictionary you can dial up on the backlit LCD screen. Now, if you need another octave on the keyboard, consider moving up to the YPG 535, which offers 88 keys and also comes equipped with a matching wooden keyboard stand. The last keyboard we're checking out today is also from Yamaha. This is the PSR-E 433. This 61-key model brings an interesting twist to the genre with a couple of features designed to appeal to music makers as well as burgeoning DJs. There are 731 instruments on board and maximum polyphony is 32 notes. A neat little feature that makes sculpting the sounds a lot more fun are the 2 live control knobs that give you real-time, hands-on control of the sound. The functions vary depending on the assign button, giving you control of the filters, the envelope, reverb, and chorus effects, and a cool ultra-wide stereo effect. Favorite settings can be saved to one of 32 registration memories for easy recall. In addition to a powerful arpeggiator with 150 different patterns, the auto accompaniment features are pretty extensive as well. In addition to the 100 preset songs that are well integrated with its lesson functions, the PSR-E 433 offers 186 different accompaniment styles in categories ranging from R&B to ballads, traditional stuff, and quite a few dance styles. Now, speaking of dance music, in addition to the styles, there are 10 patterns available as well, featuring some pretty modern flavors for a portable keyboard, including dub techno, Berlin minimal, and trance house. Each pattern offers several variations or sections which you can select on the fly with these A through E buttons. A cool hands-on arrangement tool for the songs, styles, and patterns are the track buttons, which allow you to mute parts on the fly. Want to cut the bass or drums for a few bars? Boom, it's right there. Split and layering functions are on board, as well as a 6-track recorder for creating up to 10 songs of your own, and 2 USB ports allow you to back up your work and use the PSR-E 433 as a controller keyboard. One more thing to be aware of is that both of these Yamaha models do not ship with power supplies. So if you buy the YPG 235, get the PA150 power adapter, and if you buy the PSR-E 433, pick up the PA130 adapter. So there's an overview of a few of the many portable keyboards that we carry here at B&H that make great gifts for the holidays. And remember that there are additional models in the product lines we looked at today, so if you liked a model you saw in this video but need a different size keyboard or different features, by all means do a little comparison shopping on our website or talk to one of our experts if you need a little assistance. I'm Rob from B&H, and thanks for watching.
For more information, please visit us online, give us a call, or stop by our New York City Superstore. You can also connect with us on the web.